Welcome back everyone to another episode of Food with Viktor. Today we're going to be cooking an easy chicken recipe infused with tarragon. First we're going to create a creamy tarragon sauce, but before that we're going to start with the chicken. And since we're handling raw chicken here, I'm going to be on the safe side and use a separate cutting board for just cutting up the chicken. You can start off just heating up your pan, use regular canola oil and a touch of butter. Just make sure that the butter melts before you put the chicken in, and that will help to create that caramelized surface we're really going for flavor-wise in the chicken. And as you can see here, I'm not using fillet here, I'm using the chicken thigh. For me, it's a little bit more fattier chicken part, and they create a nice, almost deep fried flavor to the chicken, and I prefer that. If you want to go for the chicken fillet, go for it, it's up to you. And as you can see here, I'm only seasoning the chicken with salt. Since we're gonna serve the chicken with a tarragon sauce, we don't need that much seasoning. And let's talk a little bit about this recipe. It's one of my go-to recipes when it comes to cooking a quick and easy, good tasting chicken dish. And you only use one pan here, and it takes, if you're quick, around 20 minutes, if you're slow, maybe 45, but either way, it's a quick and really good recipe for a dinner night or even a Friday night. And as you can see here, I have my onion and my garlic separate. This is because the garlic takes much shorter time to cook and the onion takes longer time. So I'll add the onion first, cook a little bit, and then I add the garlic as well. And now when the onions are cooked a bit, we're gonna put in the white wine. And we're gonna let it simmer with the onion, the garlic, and the flavor from the fried chicken. And after a few minutes, when it's a little bit more cooperated and reduced, we're gonna add the chicken stock as well. And I just want to say thank you so much for all the subscribers I got lately. I just passed 100 subscribers, and for you that might sound simple and small, but for me it really means a lot. So thank you. And I'm really excited about all the future plans I got for this channel. Leave a comment down below if you want me to cook something special. Hand back to the recipe, and once now everything has reduced a little bit, now it's time to add your tarragon. And I really like to add the tarragon before I add the cream. This really helps the tarragon to come alive. Now it's time to put in the cream for you. And after that we're gonna put a splash of Dijon mustard. This really gives the dish a little bit extra. The onions is sweet and the cream is creamy, so the dish really gets complete when adding that sting you get from the Dijon mustard. And I waited last to add the sour cream, and this is because you really control how creamy you want your sauce. And as always, you can find the recipe down below. And if you're not a subscriber and want to learn more about Swedish cuisine and food from around the world, consider subscribing to the channel. And since pretty much all the restaurants in the world are closed at the moment, we can bring the restaurant to you maybe. Put the rice in the small bowl and turn it upside down. This will create a more restaurant feel to the dish. And I'm not claiming that I'm good at plating, but this helps at least a little bit to create that restaurant feel. And now the dish is really coming together. We have our rice, we have our chicken, and now we're gonna dress this up with the beautiful creamy tarragon sauce. And I should mention, there is an option to put the chicken directly into the sauce and create kinda a curry of this, but I prefer to serve separately. And here we have it, quick and easy, beautiful chicken recipe. Creamy tarragon chicken stirred alongside rice and some tomatoes. And if you want to see more quick and easy recipes on this channel, leave a like and comment down below. And if you want to learn more about Swedish cuisine and food from around the world, I'll leave a playlist in the end of this video. And on that note, I wish you a great day and see you in the next one.